guys, it is me, Tropic Trees. Sorry about not uploading for literally the past 6 days, almost a week. I just haven't been uploading because I had no motivation or anything. And yeah, well, also because I got my phone taken away for 3 days, not discussing why, because I hate it when people bring it up, so I'm not going to bring it up on myself and make me hate myself, so yeah. So yeah, in case you don't know, I might change my main look to this fox right here, or make it be my second main look. I'm not too sure because Floopa, the other Floopa, the one with 2 F's, made me a main look for this one right here, and I like this one because it's like cool, so maybe I'll have 2, who knows. I'll have to work on an outro, hoping that the green doesn't affect anything. I don't think it does, but yeah. Also, I'm going to be buddying some of my fans soon because I have a lot of space left, but yeah, 200 or something, I don't know, but yeah, anyways. The point of this video is going to be den reviewing. Okay, first up we have this den I'm in right now, I made. This is my, one of my favorite dens. I made it just today too, so yeah. Also, kids, look at my tabs. No, I'm kidding. Okay, this is the table I have. I mean, not table, TV, I don't know. This is just a wall I made that was inspired by Flame Group, so credit to him. And so were these in that table right there. Credit goes to him because he made those up. I didn't. Yeah. These things, I made them as cushions, and it's funny when you just hover your mouse over them, and it's like the same thing in Candy Cove. In Candy Cove, they did a redesign, I think, and everything just looks different, and in my opinion, I don't know, just looks different to me, I don't know. I like this. Okay, that's not the topic of this video. Okay. This is Peck's room. And the Peck's room took about 10 or something minutes. Okay, over here is Greely's room. Greely's my favorite alpha. I should have given him a better room, but I can't. Over here is Creepy Liza's room. That's why I have that. But I like Liza because of memes. So over here is Solar, Gilbert, and Cosmo's room. And this took forever, but I like it a lot. Those are bushes and stuff. Okay, next den. Okay, I'll go to my castle. Really crowded. It's small. Yeah, again, credit to funny Goop. No, I'm kidding. He's not Goop, but still credit. Okay, this is one of my dens. It took me not that long, actually, 30 minutes. Doesn't look like it, though. Over here is my most favorite den. I like this so much. A lot. Like, this is my favorite den right here. So, Sir Gilbert, my 3rd favorite alpha. Pretty cool, dude. Over here is just a kitchen, and yes, I have the refrigerator. Got it from the Forgotten Desert. Pretty happy about that. Over here, I put glass fences. Glass fences thing, which is our front thing, so there. Sorry if you hear noises in the background. My brother is playing with my dad, and it's so weird and cringy. Okay. Up here is the bedroom, and I like how this came out. Over here's the changing room, because you need pajamas. So, yeah. This is what I used for the glass thing, by the way. I only have 3 of these. I gotta get more. But yeah, you can put these like wherever. And it's pretty cool. I like them. Did I decorate this den? I have no clue. Yeah, I did. I already showcased this den in a thing that wasn't actually a speed paint. Where is it? Speed den, I don't know. Yeah, like that one. Okay. Time to go to, we'll call it. Okay, my restaurant den. This thing I don't think I've ever shown off, but I'm really proud of it. And I used the circle tool on this, and I hate that. This, I did not use the circle tool, and I have improved by so much. So don't use the circle tool if you want to improve. This is like a hidden masterpiece den. Like that. But you can't really click on them, because the nature archways are in the way, so. And over here is crazy. No, I did not draw this. My talented buddy did. Very talented. This thing, I'm proud. This thing I'm wicked proud of. Why does it have one leg? Why? No, I do not want to log out. Because signing in would be a pain. Because my password isn't saved. Because I had to change it. Because when I logged in, guess what? It didn't work. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This thing got destroyed because I traded my small table away, which I really regret because I like that item. But it was for another short collar. And I'm trying to collect short collars so I can get a black candy cane socks. But I want to wait until December, so I have 2 short collars in this thing that Ruby93 gave me. So go subscribe to her. Maybe her channel link will be in the chat. In the description. She's nice, so yeah, I recommend you go subbing to her. And just in case you wanted to know, this is her username. See, she apparently, that's a lie, she plays a lot. Sometimes she just randomly goes to me and my dad and follows me around. But yeah, she's pretty nice. Yeah, she has some spicy looks. Okay. Anyways, that's off topic. Okay. Over here is just garden. And I deleted all those except for this thing. Okay, I'll fix that. There, it looks better now. Okay. I don't even remember half of my dents. This thing I wiped because it was pretty good, but got a little annoyed, and now all I have in here is like that. It's unfinished and it's a work in progress. So there, symmetry to make the fans happy. And I'll put some pixelated trees too that are really ugly, but I put them in my dents because they're kind of good in my opinion. I'm not making this a speed den decorating video. Okay, good. Okay. Now I go to, what den do I have? What is this den? Oh! I want to stream soon, but I can't because my mom doesn't let me. But this is going to be a den where, whenever I'm online and this den is active, I'm gonna unlock my den so fans can come in here and we can play a few games and trade and stuff. So yeah, pretty cool. You're wondering how I'm moving with the mouse being like this? It's the arrow keys. The arrow keys are pretty cool. Okay. Now, time to go to, is my water park then even done? Oh, so empty. 200 den betas, classic den betas. Things people know are den betas, and I got scammed out to them because stupid flamingo didn't give me my stuff back when I accidentally traded something, and I'm mad, but you don't have to donate, kids, so. But I'm a kid, I'm a kid. I like this den, but I want to leave off my alpha den. Okay. What is this den? I don't. It was supposed to be, I remember what this was supposed to be, but I deleted all the stuff in it. I deleted, like, so many things. Okay, bye guys, and